Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to new videos. Khalid bin Saleh. So today I'm going to show you how many people they have come. Beautiful Junagadh, right? It's a very closest place to Shatchori. So I'm going to show you how many people. Alphas, come here with me and show them how many people. Actually, just you are looking. Yeah, thank you. Slowly, you are just moving the camera. Subhanallah, we can't believe that so many people they have come together to celebrate their Eid. So here actually you can see so many tom-toms as well as bikes, and especially the young generation they are the great fan of bike. So I think it's one of the amazing story that I have shared with you right now. So look at me. So I am at beautiful Junagadh right now. I'm describing this place beautifully so that you can come here. I'm giving you the location. You have to come to Shatchuri. It's most probably it will be taken 10 or 15 minutes to come to this place from Shatchuri, and there is a logo you can find here. Just beautiful Junagadh. Can you show them? Yeah, beautiful Junagadh, where a lot of people they have taken so many pictures. Especially today, it's a big gathering. I never imagined that it would be like that. So if I know, then I wouldn't come here. But I'm super thrilled actually to see all the bikes together. So I don't know actually my sound is clear or not, because there are so many noisy because of the chaos around us. Especially I have come with two beloved people. Here is Alphas is just holding the camera, as well as behind the camera there is a person, Mukhtar Bhai. So just waiting, Mukhtar Bhai told me that Khaled, please don't present me in front of the camera because I'm afraid of making video. So by the way, so that's why I don't bring them. So Alphas, come here. So it's green coconut. So it's all about 150 taka. So we try our level best to bargain with that person, but he didn't agree with us. So that's why we will take this one. We don't know if it would be better to have the water of green coconut. It would be amazing. So right now I am super delighted. And how am I looking like? You can write down a comment, then I would be inspired by your comment. So we will be trying something new to have right now. Especially it would be fuchka or coffee or tea or anything else. Already we have eaten watermelon, which was amazing. So thank you. Just look at the noisy place. This is the first time I have ever experienced this gathering. Okay, so I think you have really enjoyed this session. So thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.